Hello dear students, I hope you are fit, fine and healthy. Welcome back in English class. We talked about contraction, singular plural in grammar. In literature, we have done writing, reading comprehension, spelling. In today's video, we are going to know about sentences and their kinds in grammar. Without sentences, we can't read and write because if we only speak in words, we are unable to understand its complete meaning. To know more about it, let's come to the topic sentences. Look at these pictures and read the group of words carefully. Dancer is Shreya, great, Ancestor in works, my office. Fruits market, go to bring them. Family big he has. Now think, do these group of words make any sense? No. These group of words make no sense. Now, look at the same groups of words written in another way. Shreya is a good dancer. My sister works in an office. Go to the market and bring fruits. He has a big family. Now think again. Do these group of words make sense? Yes. Now, these groups of words make complete sense. We can say that when group of words is written in a proper way, they make a complete sense. This group of words is called sentences. So, a sentence is a group of words which make complete sense. Examples: Ram is a good boy. She studies in class 5. Mohan has 2 sisters. इस डेफिनेशन के अकॉर्डिंग सेंटेंस वर्ड्स का वो ग्रुप होता है जो हमें कंप्लीट सेंस दे. एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू अब आप समझ गए होंगे. स्टूडेंट्स, while writing a sentence, we must remember that the group of words must remain in proper order. The sentences must begin with a capital letter. There must be a full stop at the end of the sentence. जब भी कभी आप सेंटेंस फ्रेम करें तो आपको इन बातों का ख्याल रखना होगा. To enhance your understanding, let's move to an exercise. In this exercise, you have to arrange the jumbled words in proper order so that the sentences make complete sense. The exercise is here on screen. Look it carefully. The first is Earth's round, the moves the sun. When we arrange this sentence in proper order, your answer will be the earth moves around the sun. Next is country is big a China. Correct sentence will be China is a big country. Next is grazing fields are in cattle dam. The correct sentence is the cattle are grazing in the field. So, with the help of the mentioned exercise, we got to know that how we can arrange the words to make meaningful sentences. For making meaningful sentences, we need subject and verb. But the verbs must be filled suitably with subjects. If we use wrong form of verbs, then our sentence will be wrong. अगर verb को हम किसी भी sentence में कहीं भी रख देते हैं, तो हमारा sentence wrong हो जाएगा. So, how to fill or use verb suitably in a sentence? Let's move to an exercise. In this exercise, you have to fill verb on their proper places. This exercise is also given on page number 5 in your Grammar Plus book. Now, see the exercise carefully. Let's move to solve it. First is, we saw many deer near the river. Next, Robert went to London last month. This man makes pots and pans. The boys lost their cricket bat. Ali is flying a kite on terrace. We must meet more often. Dhanush cooks breakfast every day. The corner shop is closed today. Seema is talking to her cousin. Dear students, I think now you understood the reason why the verbs are suitably filled. After this, let's move to know the kinds of sentences. There are 4 kinds of sentence: statement or assertive sentence, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory. The first is assertive or statement. The sentence which says something is called a statement or an assertive sentence. It can be positive and negative both. For example, the elephant is a big animal. The elephant is not a small animal. My grandmother lives with me. My grandmother does not live with me. As I told you, we can use both positive and negative both. According to the examples, positive और negative sentence दोनों को ही हम statement कहते हैं. I hope you understood the sentences and their kinds, assertive or statement. How much you understood about sentences? To know about it, let's move to practice time. The first question is, the words in the sentences are jumbled. Arrange them in proper order to make meaningful sentences. In this exercise, we have to arrange all the jumbled words in proper order so that your sentence gives complete sense. The second is, write questions for these answers. Hopefully, you understood today's video. In next video, we will continue the other kinds of sentences so that you understand all the kinds. Keep on enjoying and watching videos. Till then, thank you. Bye bye. Take care.